abeegi b'amashomero n'abashomesa b'itendekero rya Mayanja Memorial Institute itendekero ryatandikira umwaka w'2008 bajaguze birugiro mu bigezo by'umwaka w'2022-2023 aho itendekero ryakoze reke okusinga gandi abeegi 899 bakoze ebigezo ebi omu mashomo gatari gamwe na gamwe aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma bonatino wagwire.
This is a special day to recognize and appreciate the hard work and achievement of students, teachers, and staff of the academic excellence.
Our students have performed very well in practicals.
Bamwe abeegi abari kushoma obushaho butuganireho nabo borekera okushemererwa bwanyuma y'okukora gye bigezo ebi.
This is a year that we stay for remembrance. It is the first year that we have really done it the best in the whole country.
Abazire bitu batuyambere cyangwa okuturashora school fees. Abo kuba mbinte byo kutwekateka ngo tubaza kutegana so mwana ngo missing a class mazima school fees term.
This institute is a national, regional, international institute. It is not training students only from Western Uganda, no. It's training students from all over the country.
No itendekero rya Mayanja Memorial Training Institute barukwesima habwo gukora gicyashika hakutendeka abashaho abarukurukorana bagira ngo ibintu biriyone bibagumira cyashika hakugura abeegi abarukweyongeraho noboreka ngo ibyuma byo muri laboratory birukwera abeegi kwego kubashemerire kujanja babantu government nebitaho umushoro gw'amani
Ebyo bitukushobeseza ko abeegi bitu n'ebintu rugwe sente nyinji munonga bigumire kandi babimportinga n'abihumusiza hero emwe nitukabe tugira ngo government yachendeza nkaha mushoro yana bitaho mu ihanga ubundi kikatuyambaho
abeegi abakoze rege basimirwe obwe barukutunga ebirabona bashomesa baba barukore ko mutindo murungi cyashika hakutendeka abashaho gasha kwa Christopher Himbisogwe.